Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm taking you to a truly magical place, secrets Akumal Riviera Maya, a stunning adults-only resort located in one of the most beautiful beaches in Mexico. The soft white sand stretches for miles, and the turquoise water is so clear and calm that it feels like swimming in a natural pool. The resort itself is simply breathtaking. It's large, elegant, and spread across several beautiful designed buildings. Everywhere you look, there is something to admire. The lush greenery, perfectly manicured gardens, and open spaces make you feel relaxed and close to nature. The property is so spacious that it never feels crowded, even with many guests enjoying the pools, the beaches, or the restaurants. Secrets Akumal is a truly place where luxury meets tranquility, and I can't wait to show you more. Let's dive in. From above, Secrets Akumal Riviera Maya looks like a hidden paradise. The resort blends perfectly with nature, surrounded by lush greenery, palm trees and winding paths that seems to stretch endlessly. As you walk along this path, you are greeted by a canopy of vibrant plants and even large majestic trees. There are charming wooden bridges and small walkways that make you feel like you are exploring a peaceful jungle. The buildings and villas are beautifully designed with archways that give the resort an elegant yet natural feel. Everywhere you look, there is something serene to admire, and it's clear how much care goes into keeping everything spotless and inviting. Walking through these pathways isn't just a stroll, it's an experience. The fresh air, the shade from the trees, and the sound of nature all around you create a feeling of calm and relaxation. You can help but smile as you take it all in. Its pure enjoyment every step of the way. Secrets Akumal has something for everyone. There is a beautiful wedding salon for special celebrations, a fully equipped gym for staying active, and a fun games area with billiards and board games to enjoy with friends. It's a perfect mix of relaxation and entertainment. The rooms at Secrets Akumal are simply amazing. They are spacious and beautifully designed with large comfortable beds that make you feel at home. Everything is spotless and perfectly clean. Each room even has its own jacuzzi for ultimate relaxation, a modern shower and a private terrace for stunning panoramic views. It's a place where every detail is designed for comfort and enjoyment. Entering the secret spa by Pivoni at Secrets Akumal Riviera Maya is like stepping into a serene sanctuary. The lobby welcomes you with elegant design and soothing colors, creating a peaceful atmosphere. Comfortable sitting areas invite you to relax before your treatment. The spa offers a variety of massages and treatments, each designed to rejuvenate your body and mind. Every detail is thoughtfully arranged to provide a tranquil and luxurious experience. Walking along another set of charming pathways, bordered by wooden railings, you suddenly find yourself in a vibrant poolside bar. The pools here are breathtaking, large, crystal clear, and impressively maintained. The turquoise water shimmers under the sun, creating a picture-perfect oasis that simply takes your breath away. Some of the pools seamlessly flow towards the beach, offering guests the best of both worlds, the refreshing water and the soft sands. People stroll around, relax on loungers and float blissfully in the pools, enjoying every moment. With a swim-up bar conveniently placed, you can sip your favorite drink without even leaving the water. It's a place where every detail invites you to unwind and embrace pure joy. The beach at Secrets Akumal Riviera Maya is simply stunning. The soft white sand stretches endlessly, meeting the calm turquoise waters of the bay. Palm trees sway gently in the breeze, creating the perfect tropical backdrop. The beach is spacious and never feels crowded. There are plenty of comfortable loungers for everyone, whether you prefer relaxing under the shade of an umbrella or soaking up the warm sun. Guests stroll along the shoreline, enjoy the peaceful sound of the waves, or just unwind with a good book. And for those who love the water, the bay offers a unique chance to snorkel and explore the vibrant underwater world, where you might even spot a sea turtle gliding gracefully through the clear waters. It's truly a slice of paradise. Secrets Akumal offers a variety of restaurants with fresh, flavorful dishes, ranging from gourmet restaurant cuisine to casual bites. When evening falls, Secrets Akumal transforms into a magical illuminated wonderland. The buildings glow with warm lights, the pools reflect the stars, and the beautifully set tables create a romantic ambience. This is when the entertainment begins. Guests gather to enjoy incredible performances, from talented singers and dancers to cultural shows featuring traditional Mayan dances. There are even mesmerizing fire shows and water performances that light up the night. The energy is vibrant and every moment feels unforgettable. It's a perfect way to end a day in paradise. In conclusion, Secrets Akumal Riviera Maya is a truly exceptional resort that offers an unforgettable experience. From the moment you step into the soft white sands of its stunning beach with calm turquoise waters perfect for relaxing or snorkeling, you will feel like you have entered paradise. The lush green grounds are beautifully maintained, with charming pathways and wooden bridges that make every stroll a joy. The rooms are spacious and luxurious, featuring comfortable beds, private terraces with panoramic views, and even jacuzzis for ultimate relaxation. Dining here is another highlight, with a variety of restaurants offering delicious and diverse cuisine to suit every taste. When the evening comes, the resort transforms into a magical place with glowing lights, lively entertainment and incredible shows, ranging from traditional dances to breathtaking fire and water performances. It's a perfect way to end your day. If there is one small downside, it's that the resort is adults only, so it's better suited for couples or groups or friends looking for a tranquil getaway. But for anyone seeking luxury, beauty and peaceful escape, Secrets Akumal Riviera Maya is hard to beat. Thank you for watching, I hope you enjoyed this tour. If you did, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel for more amazing travel reviews. Until next time, happy travels!